What's up everyone, my name is Troy from TechGamesEtc, and today we have an unboxing video. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i Video Creators Kit. I was in the market to upgrade my camera I'm currently using, which is a Sony Handycam, which I had back in ever since my channel first started. It was like in 2010. But I've always had my eye to upgrade. This is one of the camera kits that I really wanted. Now it's called a creators kit because this is a good camera kit, because not only it comes with an entry-level DSR, but it comes with a boom mic, it comes with a camera strap, it comes with a lens, of course, a battery, and a recharger for the battery. Now before we go any further, this retails for about $8.49. I also bought with it, a lens kit. This is one of the lens kits here. This is the Canon Portrait and Travel 2 lens kit. It comes with a 50mm lens, and also it comes with a 10 to 18mm lens as well. Pretty much this is a wide angle lens and a sort of a medium range lens. I'm really trying to learn my lenses, but I also got this as well. But also, there's a lot here today. I may have a separate boxing video for this one. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I may have a separate unboxing video for this one. But also, I was in a mood for another camera. This is the PowerShot G5X. I may have an unboxing video for this as well. The reason I bought this camera is that it's a smaller, compact, high-end digital camera, and I wanted this camera so bad. Actually, I wanted both of these cameras so bad. I was actually buying accessories and stuff for both of these cameras long before I made the purchase of these cameras. But they're about to phase this out for the Mark II. But I had to buy this because I got this from Amazon, but from a third party, because they're going to actually phase out for the Mark II. But I love the camera design, if y'all can see that a little bit. It comes with the hot shoe on top. It's a smaller, compact camera, high-end. But I may do a separate unboxing video, even though it might phase out. But I really don't care. What else do y'all need to know? I had this camera kit for about a year. I bought it in April 22nd, 2019. It just stayed in the box. And everything, I bought this together with this. All of it came to the camera kit itself, the lens kit is about $349, and this creators kit is about $849 plus taxes. It came out to $1269.88. I hope the camera is in here because I didn't open it for about a year. But let's just go ahead and see with this unboxing. Like I said, I am really excited about this. I'm trying to open this up real quick. Oh. Actually, we can do it like that. Some things you may know about this. It is a 24 megapixel camera. It does have wireless connectivity. You can also attach a variety of cameras to it. Lenses to it. And let's go ahead and unbox it. And it shoots 1080p, 60 frames per second. But if you know me by now, video resolution don't mean nothing if the content ain't good. I'ma probably do a test of what the videos look like, because I might switch it. Might give you a demonstration. Oh my goodness. Like real talk, I may I'm only gonna shoot after this video. I'ma actually shoot 720p 60 frames per second. I really don't care about resolution at all. So here go the 32 gigabyte card. I have almost 16 memory cards, because like I said, I was preparing to buy this camera a long time ago. Also, here is the video mic, the lightweight on-camera microphone. That's it. Let me go ahead and open that. We might as well open it because I'm going to give a demonstration I might give a demonstration about, oh man, I'm gonna give a demonstration later in this video, or you can just go ahead and skip to that if you want. I'll probably leave a caption on the video of where you can skip this unboxing and go straight to that video. Oh, come on. God dang it. Alright, come on. You know what? This is annoying. Not for resale. Come on. God dang it. Why you put so much of this stuff on here? Alright, I'm about to rip this. Okay, alright. About to get upset with this joint. Here we go. Damn. Oh, nice. Look at that. Ooh. Comes with the up like that. Ooh, got the instructions. We don't read instructions around here. But, ooh, that looks good. Alright. So here goes the camera. God, I hope this camera is in here. It looks kind of tampered with. I didn't open this in about a year. God, I hope there's no brick in here. Please, God. Look at the... God dang, look at the manual in this joint, huh? Good gracious. You know what? I got my quarantine reading right here. It's English, French, and Spanish. I'm going to read this joint. Real talk. I need to know all about this camera. This is my quarantine reading right here. Okay, is the camera there? Oh, okay. Whew, I don't see no bricks yet. No bricks yet. Here go the battery right here. Let me take this out now, since this is an unboxing video. I got the battery right here. These batteries aren't cheap too. I'm gonna try to buy multiple batteries. It's like 50 bucks, 80 bucks a battery, I think. Something like that. Okay, got that. What's this? I am, y'all don't understand how excited I am right. Oh, this is the lens. Now, what lens is this? Oh, okay. So, this is 18 to 55. So, that lens kit I got, that one goes up to 10 to 18. This is 18 to 55 millimeter. Okay. That's good. Let me see. Oh, let me take this off. Ah, look at that. I'm so excited. I don't know. It's just some small things. I'm upgrading, shorty. I'm upgrading. Oh, yes. All right. Let's see what else is in here. We got the strap in here. I don't need to open that. Nah. That's the camera strap. What's this? Oh, this is the charge station. This is the battery recharger. Now, I don't know why. This is not like my handy cam that I'm using, where you can just plug the cord in and stuff like that. So let me see. All right, and here go the granddaddy of them all. Hope it's not a break. Okay, the camera is in here. Okay, thank the Lord. Look at this. Ooh. Look at that. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Look at that right there, Slim. Come on now. Come on, step the game up. Step the game up, Tech Games, etc. Come on. Alright, so let's go ahead and that's how it looks in there. So alright. Let's go ahead and switch cameras and see what it looks like. Give me a moment. Let's go to the next scene and let's see what this thing looks like hooked up. You know what? You know what? Scratch that. Before we go to the next scene, I want to build it right here in front of y'all. So this is the main body. Here go the lens. So we're going to take this cap off. We're going to take this cap off that's on here. Look at that. Woo! This is my first DSLR, young. I am super excited. God, how you put this thing on? Okay, so it looks like it snaps in. I think this button right here is what releases it if you want to take it back off again. Alright, there go the lid. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so keep that on there. Alright. We're going to go ahead and use the microphone. Okay, how do you do this? Let's figure it out. Alright. No, it fits right in there. Nice. I think you gotta screw it on. Wow, look at that! Ah, that's so stealthy! That is stealth! Alright. Go ahead with the battery. Okay. There's the battery latch right here if y'all can see it. Which way does it go in? Looks like it goes in this way. Oh God, I hope this joint works. Okay, how do we... Alright, how do we do this? Right here. Okay, hold up. Does it? Okay. You slide. Okay, there's a little latch right here if y'all can see it. There's a latch right here. Slide it in. Alright. Okay, so where's the power button at? Oh, look at that. Look at all this stuff right here. Okay, hold up. Is it turning on? It's not powering on. Oh, hold up. Let me take off the cap real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, this is not powering on. This is not powering on. Maybe I have to charge it up a little bit. Alright, it looks like I have to charge the battery up a little bit. Just give me a moment, and I'm gonna go into the next scene. And what we're gonna do in the next scene is I'm gonna hook up. I'm gonna give you the handycam perspective, and we're gonna switch to see what if we see a visual difference. So let me go ahead and charge the battery up real quick, and let's get to the next scene. Alright, so it took about an hour and a half to charge this battery up. This battery right here, it took an hour and a half because, like I said, I had this in a box for a year with box in a year, so the battery lost its charge apparently. And the downside about this so far is that it doesn't have, I mean, it looks like it has a USB port, but it don't have a different cord, a cord to have a limited power supply from the wall socket. It looks like you have to 100% rely on this battery. I mean, I can research it to see if it comes with any accessories you can buy to have it constantly plugged in to a power source. But we're gonna go ahead and slide this battery in again. See if it will come to life. I hope it turns on. There it go. Bingo flamingo. There it go right there. Alright, so. Oh, and I gotta put a card in, apparently. Yeah, I gotta put a card in. Let me get the card I used. Hold on. I actually bought, I had a 128 gigabyte card. I have like 8 of these or 12 of these. And we can go ahead and put the card in. And yeah, so thank God it powered on. Let me see. Woo! This joint looks sleek. Hold on. How's it? There we go. I gotta set all this. Alright, so it's powered on. Thank you, God. I thought it was something wrong with it. I'm going to go ahead and set all this up, and we're going to go into the next segment. I'm going to show you the differences between my old camera, the Sony Handycam, and this one. Alright, see you in the next scene. Alright, so we are And to the next scene, this is the camera right here. Looks phenomenal. So let's go ahead and switch cameras. Give me 1 sec, and wow. Wow, like y'all can see my entire, like, what lens is this? This is an 18 through 55 millimeter lens. Millimeter. Do y'all see a difference? I don't know. I feel like, hold up, let me zoom in. God, like I have to literally zoom in. I'm like geeking right now. Like, you can see my entire, you couldn't even see the wall back there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, I'm excited. I'm excited. I see the face tracking on the screen. I don't know if this is going to show up in the final product. Tell me what y'all think. This is the best purchase right here. Like, I'm going to turn off the face track because it's annoying from the screen, but this can be adjusted. And does it? Oh, my God! It adjusts! Oh my goodness! Wow, let me go here. Wow, I gotta get my teeth done too. Wow, I need to go to the dentist. This is showing me, like, the reason why it's a yellow hue here is because I'm using a work light. Like, this is not the whitest of white light in my room, unfortunately, but long. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review of this straight out of the box. I'm not gonna adjust anything, but I am totally geeking over this right now. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, whoo, I gotta get back to YouTube. I can't let the camera like this go to waste. But let me know in the comments, y'all. That is the unboxing. Yeah, tell me if y'all see a difference. I see a difference as far as, like, it's wider. Like, it's wider. I don't know the frame rate. I don't know the resolution straight out the box. I really don't know. It's straight out the box, but godly, I am beyond. Like, even when I'm seeing on the screen right now, I'm beyond excited. How does the audio, do y'all hear a difference in the audio too? Because it does have the boom mic on there. I really don't know if it's catching the mic or not, but yeah, let me know in the comment section. I'm super excited. This is the Canon, T7i EOS Creators Kit. I can't even, yeah, the Rebel EOS Rebel T7i Creators Kit. Get this. This is a must. I'm gonna try to have my review. There's a lot of things going on. I'm still rambling. There's the Mortal Kombat. I gotta get on that. We're back. We're back. We are back. We are back. We are back. I will see you later. Thanks a lot.